Hey everyone, welcome to Noor Telecom. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro Max with a lighting sensor not working issue. So, let's start the repair. First, we remove the two pentalobe screws from the bottom of the phone and carefully open the display using a suction cup and a plastic pry tool. After opening it, we disconnect the battery connector first for safety. Then we remove the screws from the metal shield that holds the front sensor assembly and take out the proximity and lighting sensor flex cable carefully. Next, we connect a temporary sensor connector to check if the phone powers on properly. Once confirmed, we move to the microscope view to work on the original lighting sensor. Under the microscope, we locate the lighting sensor and gently heat it with the hot air gun to remove it from the flex. After removing it, we clean the pad area using a blade and soldering iron with some solder wick to remove the old solder. Then we clean the area again with a cotton swab and some PCB cleaner. Now we clean the lighting sensor pins using the soldering iron and apply a little bit of flux. After that, we place the reballing stencil over the sensor, apply solder paste. And heat it carefully with the hot air gun until the solder balls form perfectly on the pins. Once done, we apply a small amount of flux on the flex cable and place the lighting sensor back in its position. We heat it gently until it sits perfectly. Then we reconnect the proximity sensor assembly back to the phone. Power it on. And finally, the lighting sensor starts working perfectly again. And that's how we successfully repaired the lighting sensor on the iPhone 12 Pro Max here at Noor Telecom.